अब इसका क्या करूं? ऐसे तो आउटफिट ऑफ द डे नहीं डाल सकती। Isn't it frustrating जब आपका फेवरेट आउटफिट आपको वो शेप नहीं देता जो आपको चाहिए? Well, I have a hack. I'll show you. Meet the secret Shapewear by Dermawear. It's an innerwear that shapes your body and enhances your curve instantly so that you look confident in your favorite dress. Oops, I'm getting late. See you around. Hi everyone. So today, let's talk about the mystery behind compression garments. They are tight-fitted undergarments designed to achieve toned figure and to make it look more presentable. I know, आप सभी के मन में एक सवाल होगा that this product is too small. How will it fit me? Also, how does this compression garment works? Well, all thanks to Shapewear. It is made up of stretchable material जो आपकी body shape को enhance करता है by compressing it. And it also help you achieve hourglass figure, वो भी आपकी favorite dress के साथ. But a quick disclaimer, ये आपके body weight को कम नहीं करता. For that, you need to maintain healthy lifestyle and proper workout. So, are you ready to flaunt your curves? Let's dive into types of shapewear by Dermawear. Dermawear offers wide range of products to meet your fashion needs. Let's start with full body shapewear. Full body shapewear targets bust, abdomen, hips and thighs area. And these are the outfits you can wear with full body shapewear. Mid-body shapewear. Mid-body shapewear targets abdomen, hips and thighs area. And these are the outfits you can wear with mid-body shapewear. Next, we have abdomen shapewear. Abdomen shapewear only targets your abdomen area. And these are the outfits you can wear with abdomen shapewear. Dermawear also offers men's shapewear which targets chest and abdomen area. शेपवेयर चूज करना थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है. कैसे पता करें व्हाट्स योर परफेक्ट साइज? आफ्टर ऑल, इट्स नॉट पिकिंग अप द साइज ऑफ योर रेगुलर फिट. वेल, Dermawear has a wide range of product and to measure the size, there is only one method from your waist. Please follow these steps as shown in the video. Take the measuring tape and wrap it around the waist at the navel area. Look at the size it shows and note it down. Do not assume the size on the basis of trouser you wear. Dermawear recommend to always measure the size before purchasing the product. For men's shapewear vest, measure around your abdomen as well as chest. Choose whichever is higher and compare it with the size chart. That's all. Easy peasy. In case you have a specific body type, Dermawear also offers customized products. So, are you ready to find your perfect size? Hey everyone. So, आज हम कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देंगे जो हमारे कस्टमर्स हमसे जनरली पूछते हैं. And hopefully, this will clear all your doubt about shapewear. What are shapewear? Well, shapewears are tight-fitted undergarments that alters your body shape to achieve perfect toned figure and to make you look presentable. What are the benefits of shapewear? Shapewear helps you look slimmer by 2 to 3 inches and it also helps to flatten bulges and love handles significantly. Can shapewear help in weight loss? No. Women often tend to confuse between weight loss and body shaping. These are two different approaches. The weight loss can be best achieved by proper exercise and diet. And the role of shapewear is just to sculpt your figure. How should we wear shapewear? All Dermawear products should be worn legwise only. How long can we wear shapewear? Well, it depends on your comfort. We generally advise you to wear our garments for 6 to 8 hours. However, we do not recommend you to straight away wear it for 6 to 8 hours. Initially, you can start wearing it for shorter period of time until you get used to it. Can I wear shapewear while sleeping? No, we do not recommend to wear while sleeping. Does shapewear fit all body types? Definitely. Shapewear can be used by anyone and everyone will benefit from its soothing, firming and toning effect it provides. The size is too small. How will it fit me? Shapewears are stretchable and they can stretch up to 6 to 8 inches. Also, the unboxed product may look small but it does stretches. So these were the few products by Dermaware. If you want to know more about the products, visit our website. So, are you ready to choose the best one for you?